Hello guys, how to fix corrupted icons and shortcuts in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Sometimes it happens that your icons and shortcuts have corrupted. To fix this issue, the first workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major issues in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. So first workaround is restart your system and check if their error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on start button and choose task manager, and here under process option look for Windows Explorer, select it and choose restart task. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD. Type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. And in command prompt Windows, execute the command sfcs scan now command and dism tool. Execute these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. sfcs scan now, dism scan health, dism check health, and dism restore health. Execute all these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times. And after that, once command successfully completed, then restart your system and check whether your icons and shortcut corrupted error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next workaround is right click on a start button and choose run command box, and in run command box type this command %local app data %. It will find icon cache option. Here click on view arrow and choose show hidden items, and here look for icon cache. Simply look for icon cache and simply select it and press shift plus delete to completely delete from your system. Press shift plus delete to remove icon cache from your system. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Add a user account. Go to settings and from the left side choose accounts, select it. Thereafter go to right side and choose other users. Here click on add account and a new window will pop up on your screen, Microsoft account. Here choose I don't have this person sign in information. Click on it. Wait for some times and choose add a user without Microsoft account and create a user for this PC. Put the credential, name, password and click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the add a new user account. That's